It is a bittersweet day today, I'll tell you what. It is our last day here in South Carolina. We've got an amazing summer planned. Williamsburg, Maine, Niagara, the UP of Michigan, Wisconsin Dells, and then I think we end up at a jet car race somewhere in Wisconsin for Labor Day. Thank you to everybody here in South Carolina, all the folks at the Crossway Community Church that helped us and let us kind of mooch dock here while we did some repairs on the trailer.
These two are growing like weeds, but we're going to take them back up north and find out what more we can teach them about the upper part of this country.
Heck yeah, it's the nation's 250th anniversary.
You're just going to have to stay tuned and find out what we get into, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be chaos somewhere.
Yeah, it's going to be chaos. We've got some amazing people that are helping us this summer. Open Roads, Mountain Mat, our Vista, Clear Source, Torque Lift. It's going to be an awesome, awesome trip.
All right, well, it's time for us to hit the road. Time's ticking. All right, you ready? Yep. Now we got to get in the car, so let's go.
Here we go, Williamsburg.
And just like that, we're off. Day one of our 160-day summer adventure. 6,000-ish miles ahead of us, a whole lot of campground stops, more snacks than any family should reasonably consume, and absolutely no idea what kind of chaos this trip has in store. Leaving South Carolina is always bittersweet. We've got some really special time with Jeff's parents before heading out, and saying goodbye never gets any easier. But this life, it's full of goodbyes and hellos. New roads, new places, new random adventures we definitely didn't plan for. And today, we had one job: get to Williamsburg. Simple enough, right?
We left South Carolina. We started our journey. We got, about 3-4 hours down the road. We decided that we were going to pull over at a rest area. And unfortunately for us, the only spot that we had available was, in fact, by a reefer truck. And I hate parking next to semis that have the refrigerated trucks, because the trailer just sits there all night and just... and it's super loud. I don't know, it was about 1 o'clock in the morning or so, and the reefer truck shut up or turned on and shut down, and it was really loud and close enough that it would literally shake the whole trailer. So I got up, I came outside, and we were not very far, within maybe 3 or 4 feet of the truck. I come out and there's a guy coming down the thing. He scared the crap out of me. So I come down the stairs. I was like, hey, what's up? He's got an armload of Reese's peanut butter cups, the minis. And he goes, he's like, hey, do you like Reese's? And I'm like, well, yeah. So then he hands me a handful. And I said, oh, my kids are gonna love this. And he says, oh, you got kids? Come with me. I was like, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. There's a sketchy guy with a big armful of candy inviting me to the back of his truck. This might be my out. I go to the back of the truck and he says, here. And he hands me this box. Y'all, evidently the forklift had hit and tore a couple of boxes. There was a box like this and a box of the white chocolate ones, and he took the white chocolates for his family. So, I kind of put my foot in my mouth earlier because I was really mad that I parked next to the reefer truck, but now I'm going to have to second guess every time I pull in a lot and get stuck next to the reefer truck because, dang, score, right? There you go, story time.
So this was not part of the plan. We pulled into the Virginia Welcome Center thinking that this would be just one of those super quick bathroom breaks. Maybe get out, stretch our legs, use the restroom, grab one of those travel brochures that nobody actually reads. But instead, we rolled into what felt like a full-on welcome party. There were cupcakes, fresh squeezed lemonade, chips and salsa, the giant love sign, free giveaways, contests. It was like Virginia came in hot, people. The kids immediately settled in like we had reservations. And honestly, for what was supposed to be just one of those boring travel stops, this turned into a really fun little surprise.
Well, we got our Virginia is for lovers sticker, which is amazing. And then we also got peanuts for the ride.
You nuts.
So you're welcome, guys.
As far as welcome centers go, I think Virginia was a fun one. They even had like cupcakes and lemonade that they were handing out. Well, there was also some older ladies in there that had like made some fresh salsa and kind of going through the local agriculture stuff with the kids, showing them what kind of produce and products they produce here in Virginia. So that was pretty cool.
And you have to meet the ladies inside and you have to talk to them because they are amazing and they make the experience amazing.
And the salsa was awesome.
Yes.
Thank you.
Basically,
Winner.
Virginia is setting themselves up as like the party state.
Right.
Like they've got all the snacks. So
And the dips and the chips and the nuts.
yeah.
All right, so next up for us, Williamsburg, 1,000 Trails.
It's a little bit of a windy day, so we're going to take our time getting there because this wind makes it a little bit crazy to drive in, as Jeff has been driving. I've tried to do some videoing, but gravity
She's like,
is real.
it's waggle, waggle. People behind us are like, what is going on?
Yeah, could you please control your rig? No.
That's right. Hey, I'm trying to.
So we're going to take our time, we're going to get there, and we will meet back up.
Yes.
Back on the road for about 5 minutes because, yes, we stopped again. Look, if you've never done a full RV travel day, let me explain something to you. You need fuel, you need bathrooms, you need snacks, you need caffeine. The kids need to move around, and sometimes everyone just needs a minute. So here we are, truck stop life. And honestly, truck stops are kind of their own little weird universe. Big rigs everywhere, people moving non-stop, diesel pumps as far as the eye can see, controlled chaos. It's weirdly entertaining, and apparently now it's just a part of our normal life.
So we typically don't eat fast food. We have food in our trailer that we don't have to stop for this. But we have kind of a weird situation where we've been traveling overnight and we will be pulling into Williamsburg and it's going to be after lunch. So to keep us rolling and to keep us moving and let the kids have McDonald's. I know, terrible parent, and me and Jeff got some Subway sandwiches. And so we're going to eat on the road, so when we get there, nobody has any hangry moments. It's a win-win, I think.
Gertie, what'd you get?
Chicken nuggets and a drink.
Chicken nuggets? What's this?
What is it? Stranger Things.
Stranger Things Happy Meal?
Yeah.
Dean, what'd you get?
I got a quarter pounder with cheese and a Sprite.
Quarter pounder? You gonna be able to eat all that?
Yeah.
The kids have been really good. They finished up school, they did all their testing and stuff, and you know, Grandma's been buying them Pokemon and everybody's been doing the cards, but I got a surprise for them. Rare and Halo packs. Gertie, rip first.
What does she get? What does she get?
Rip it, Gertie, rip it. So close, Mom. So there's Gertie's rip. Tell us what you think.
It's good. I got a... Oh! So I got these.
All right, was it worth it?
Yeah. I got new cards.
All right, final push here, people. We've done the snacks, the surprise welcome center party with our new friends, the truck stop reset, and now it's officially time to get this rig parked. Williamsburg, here we come.
Welcome to Williamsburg, everybody. This is going to be awesome.
Thanks for coming with us as we made our trek here to Virginia. Virginia is an amazing, amazing state, and if you haven't come here, then you're missing out on all of that beauty. So we made it through, no big issues, no big problems. Tires are great after we changed our valve stems, and so it was pretty, I don't know, uneventful. What would you say, Jeff?
Yeah. It is the 250th anniversary of our country, and I'm going to tell you what, Virginia is blowing it up. The whole way up here, we saw nothing but banners and billboards and all kinds of stuff happening for the 250. We're here through Memorial Day, so this should be awesome.
All right, guys, as always, like, subscribe, follow us on our journey. God knows what we're going to get into. There will be chaos. There will be anarchy. There will be some comedy, probably.
Mostly. If Monica's in it, it's always going to be comedy.
Whatever. But hit that likes and subscribe button. Follow us on our journey. Hit that like and subscribe button. Follow us on our journey. And
she hasn't even been drinking yet.
Hit that like and subscribe button. Follow us on our journey. And at least if there's nothing else that we can do, we'll give you some laughs at our antics. So
That's right.
you're welcome.
All right, y'all. Peace.
Bye.